Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. In this first one, she does go from shoulder length hair to this gorgeous pixie undercut. She also got a color change with that and went back to brunette. So then we move into the next hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a pixie haircut with this one. Loving this shape with this pixie. Kind of reminds me of like a baby pixie. And then we see the switch up to this beautiful bob. Her hair color is gorgeous. Moving right along, we do see another long to short transformation. So it looks like the stylist pretty much cut off the color. Ooh, so they ended up getting a very nice pixie undercut and going platinum. Wow. Beautiful hair transformation. Loving this platinum hair color. She looks gorgeous. So it looks like another kind of faded cut in the platinum. And then we move into another hair color change. It looks like she's doing the split dye trend. Pink on one side, black on the other. Very pretty, definitely a vibrant, bold hair color. So moving right along, we see someone who has a pixie. Looks like they're going to be coloring their hair. They ended up going with this very bright blonde shade. And then we see this blonde pixie undercut. Looks like she's just kind of shaping up the hair. gorgeous. She was doing a great job at shaping and trimming the hair herself. So then we move on to the next transformation. So she starts off with chocolate brunette colored hair. Looks like the stylist is trimming the hair down, cutting in a few layers. So if you guys haven't done so, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel out. And of course, you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button to see more trendy hairstyle ideas. Gorgeous blunt bob from that particular stylist. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.